Welcome to this episode on green tea. Today we will share with you some useful facts about this brew that can perform wonders to your weight loss program. We will share with you a simple but powerful ancient Chinese recipe to make sure you get the most out of your tea. Stay tuned till the end. In a world where quick fixes and fancy diets dominate, the search for sustainable weight loss solutions often leads us back to nature. One such natural marvel that has stood the test of time is green tea. Beyond its delightful flavor and comforting warmth, green tea holds a plethora of health benefits, making it a popular choice for those aiming to shed extra pounds. Let's delve into the science-backed advantages of incorporating this ancient beverage into your daily routine. Green tea owes its impressive health profile to its rich composition of bioactive compounds. Foremost among these are polyphenols, particularly catechins, which function as powerful antioxidants. Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, the most abundant catechin in green tea, is credited with various health benefits, including its role in enhancing metabolism and promoting weight loss. EGCG stimulates thermogenesis, the process by which the body generates heat and burns calories, thereby aiding in fat oxidation and weight management. Moreover, green tea contains caffeine, albeit in smaller quantities compared to coffee. This mild stimulant not only boosts alertness but also enhances energy expenditure and fat oxidation. The synergistic effect of caffeine and catechins further amplifies their weight loss efficacy, making green tea a formidable ally in the battle against the bulge. Additionally, green tea is a rich source of flavonoids, amino acids, and vitamins, all of which contribute to its overall health-promoting properties. Its modest calorie content and absence of added sugars make it a guilt-free beverage choice, ideal for those watching their waistlines. In a world inundated with weight loss gimmicks, green tea stands out as a natural, time-tested solution backed by scientific evidence. Its potent combination of antioxidants, caffeine, and other bioactive compounds makes it a formidable aid in accelerating metabolism, facilitating fat loss, and promoting overall well-being. So, whether enjoyed hot or cold, make green tea a part of your daily ritual and toast to a healthier, leaner you. Now, let me share with you how in ancient China, this tea was consumed for maximum benefits. You will need 1 teaspoon of high-quality loose-leaf green tea. Make sure it is pure green tea. 1 cup of filtered water, about 8 ounces. Optional: lemon or lime slices for flavor. Now, 1. Boil the water. Heat the filtered water in a kettle until it reaches a rolling boil. It's essential to use filtered water to ensure the best taste and to avoid any impurities that may affect the tea's quality. In ancient times, spring water was used. 2. Prepare the tea leaves. If you're using loose-leaf green tea, measure out 1 teaspoon per cup of water. If you're using tea bags, use 1 bag per cup. Place the tea leaves or bag into a teapot or mug. 3. Steep the tea. Pour the hot water over the tea leaves or bag, covering them completely. Let the tea steep for about 2 to 3 minutes for a mild flavor or up to 5 minutes for a stronger brew. Avoid over-steeping, as it can lead to a bitter taste. 4. Strain or remove the tea leaves. If you used loose-leaf tea, strain the tea into a cup using a fine mesh strainer or a tea infuser. If you used tea bags, simply remove the bag from the cup. 5. Add flavor, optional, if desired. Enhance the flavor of your green tea by adding a slice of lemon or lime. These additions not only add taste but also provide additional health benefits. 6. Enjoy, sip and savor your freshly brewed green tea while it's still warm. For maximum effectiveness as a weight loss enhancer, aim to drink green tea between meals or before exercising, to boost metabolism and aid in fat burning. By following these steps, you can prepare green tea in a way that preserves its beneficial properties and ensures a delightful drinking experience. Cheers to your health and well-being. Please leave us a comment if green tea is working for you. Are you liked this video? Please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more healthy tips in future.